Before the renovation, I was actually living in this apartment as a renter. The owner found out that I was an architect and asked me to renovate it for him. It was a really interesting opportunity because I was able to use my experiences living here to create a more functional space. Hi, I'm Matteo.
And I am Giulia.
And we are two of the partners of CLAB Architettura.
Psst. Want to see something we've been working on? Never Too Small Volume 2 is available for pre-order from our store at nevertoosmall.com, with books shipping in February 2024. I know, soon. You're welcome.
One of the main characteristics is the greenery that surrounds the apartment, which gives a unique feeling of immersion in nature.
The apartment building is built in the 70's. It has typical features of rural architecture, such as porches and courtyard. Before we renovated the apartment, it was dark and there wasn't a clear organization of the space. The apartment had a single room that was both for living room and for bedroom, and the sofa converted into the bed at night time. There was a little kitchen next to the bathroom and a small closet under the neighbor's stair.
We didn't make any big changes because we had to keep the bathroom at the same place in the apartment, only moving the entrance. The most significant change was moving the kitchen into the unused space of the closet. This allowed us to get a space for the bed by the existing window and to gain more space for the closet.
As you come into the apartment, through the porch connected directly to the garden, you can get an overview of the entire space with the wooden custom element, which creates a warm ambience and defines the different areas. There is a low shelf behind the couch, which I use as a bookshelf and also as a place to put my key when I go home. The living and the dining spaces are in the same area, yet both are clearly defined. A large rug and a couch define the living area. The couch can be converted into a bed for two when guests stay over. This section of the custom wall unit contains the TV and is surrounded by bookshelf and other closet storage. The double bed is located in a compartment raised from the ground and is reachable on a few wooden steps. A curtain makes it possible to hide the bedroom when it's not used and provides some privacy. Shelves are provided for books and personal objects, and a small reading lamp is available, together with a bedside table. The existing windows, located at the same level of the bed, allow a pleasant view of the surrounding greenery when lying down. To optimize the space, drawers and a small wardrobe are placed under the bed. Inside one of the drawers there is a room for hanging clothes. The drawers can roll in and out for easy access.
The kitchen is small, but fully equipped. There is a single sink with a dishwasher underneath, a gas cooktop with an oven. In the part of the room where the ceiling is at the lowest point, there are two hidden pantry doors which contains the fridge. A mirror is placed on the other door to make the kitchen feel bigger. The kitchen has a small existing window, which offers ventilation and light. The bathroom hasn't changed much. The entrance has been moved in the direction of the living area and accessible from a hidden door. Before entering, there are some shelves which we dedicated to bathroom items. The bathroom has a sink, washing machine, shower, toilet and bidet. The existing window provides natural ventilation. Close to the shower, there is a low door that gives access to further storage, using the area under the bed.
A residential spaces can be comfortable independently of its size.
The designing of small spaces encourages the optimization of resources. It also demonstrates how the quality of living does not depend on the size of the space, but on the ability to optimize what already exists.
Thanks for watching, and if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.